Hello there, today I'll be reviewing the GAN 356 RS2, the latest non-magnetic GAN cube. Comes with the instructions and an adjustment tool, and of course the cube. Let me just open it. And the cube is non-magnetic. Right out the box it seems pretty sandy. It is a bit rough and the corner cutting isn't really that good. It is lubed and the corner feet is pretty big. And this cube has numerical adjustment. You're supposed to take the tool and move the number and move it to your liking. You're supposed to do it on every other side and just set it on your desired tensioning of the spring. Yeah, the cube does have honeycomb surface for less drag and smoother turning. The core is wing shaped and that's pretty much it for the features. And that is pretty much what you'd expect from a budget cube. And now I will be doing a few more solves just to compare a bit more. The cube is really good. 34.5. As I was saying, the cube is really good. It's really smooth, sandy, just like every other cube I've opened till now. And yeah, I will lube it and try to see if it feels any better. This is a GAN Lube 1. It should make it a bit better, but the sandy feeling will take some time to go. Lubing the cube will make it feel a bit better, and yeah. Just a few more. If you're looking a cube to buy that is in your budget, doesn't cost a lot, pretty smooth,